Here we are at the green elevators in the economy garage. We got cars, real quick, they're labeled 12, 13, and 14, which I thought was interesting. We're going to 6. Also, that's actually wrong. It's to the left, not to the right. The train to the terminal, that is. Hope we're stopping. No one got on.
Going up. Level 6.
We're gonna look at the airlock. That one says 808, if I'm reading that correctly. Yeah, 808. So this bank elevators, might have actually been installed later.
Going down.
Here's your certificate. All right, just one more bank left in this garage.